The future of transport aircraft in the Air Force won't just be bigger, faster, or carry more. It will be a fundamental shift in how these platforms are designed, integrated, and employed. Today, we look at 6 trends that will define the transport aircraft of tomorrow. 1. Strategic role expansion. For decades, transport aircraft have been the unsung workhorses of the Air Force, reliably delivering cargo and personnel around the globe. But their role is expanding dramatically. They are no longer just about moving things and people from point A to point B. They are becoming critical nodes in the joint all-domain command and control network, enabling rapid global response to crises, whether it's natural disasters, evacuations, or military operations. These aircraft are also crucial for humanitarian aid and are increasingly being used for tactical combat support, resupplying troops in hard-to-reach areas and providing on-the-fly refueling for fighters engaged in intense operations. The Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD fighter program is expected to leverage a family of loyal wingman-style drones that will launch from and be controlled through the fighter's integrated command and control system. These loyal wingmen could be launched from the new YQ-280 transport. All of these expanded roles underscore the strategic importance of transport aircraft in an increasingly complex and interconnected world. 2. Technological innovations. The future of airlift will leverage several key technologies that promise to revolutionize how these aircraft operate. First, autonomous and semi-autonomous flight. As technology advances, the future holds exciting possibilities for transport aircraft. Imagine a world where these vital assets take off, navigate and land with minimal human intervention. This isn't science fiction. It's the next evolution in aviation. Powered by artificial intelligence, these aircraft would reduce the workload on pilots, enhance safety, and increase adaptability, allowing transport aircraft to operate more efficiently and effectively than ever before. Next, hybrid electric and hydrogen propulsion. These cutting-edge powertrain technologies are poised to transform the future of transport aircraft, promising greater fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and longer ranges. For mission-critical applications, these advancements will be game-changing, reducing reliance on vulnerable fuel supply chains and opening up new possibilities for extended range and endurance. Finally, stealth and survivability enhancements. Stealth technology, once associated with fighter jets, is now making its way into transport aircraft designs. By incorporating radar-absorbing materials and advanced defensive countermeasure systems, these aircraft can navigate hostile airspace with reduced risk. 3. Modular and multi-role design. The future of air transport emphasizes flexibility and adaptability. Modular cargo bays will allow aircraft to switch between medical evacuation, drone deployment, or command and control configurations within hours. Rapid runway-independent deployment, such as stall or VTOL capabilities, will allow them to access austere or damaged airfields, expanding their operational reach. 4. Integration with unmanned systems. The integration of unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, into the Air Force's transport fleet promises to significantly enhance capabilities. Envision a convoy of transport aircraft escorted by fighter-like drones through hostile areas. These loyal wingmen would provide air superiority, ensuring the safety of the convoy. Additionally, drones could perform in-flight resupply, deliver urgent cargo, or provide reconnaissance, relaying critical information back to the transport aircraft. In high-risk missions, drones could act as decoys or electronic warfare nodes, confusing enemy radars and communications, thus protecting the valuable transport assets. 5. Resilient and agile logistics networks. The future of warfare will be characterized by near-peer adversaries and dispersed operations. Future transport aircraft will be at the heart of resilient and agile logistics networks. Operating as airborne supply hubs with real-time connectivity, they will enable rapid and secure distribution of critical supplies. Central to agile combat employment, or ACE concepts, they will facilitate dispersed operations, pre-positioning equipment, and rapidly redeploying assets, enabling the U.S. to outmaneuver and overwhelm adversaries. 6 challenges ahead. While the future of transport aircraft in the Air Force is filled with exciting possibilities, there are significant challenges that must be addressed. First, cost and development time. Advanced technologies, while promising, can significantly increase development costs and timelines, potentially delaying deployment and straining budgets. Second, cybersecurity. As transport aircraft become more integrated and reliant on digital systems, they could face new cybersecurity threats, making them potential targets for hackers and enemy nations. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures will be crucial to protect these critical assets. And finally, training. Pilots and crews will need to adapt to new technologies, procedures, and multi-role expectations. Comprehensive training programs will be essential to ensure that personnel are prepared for the demands of modern and future transport aircraft. In conclusion, the future of Air Force transport aircraft is defined by speed, adaptability, survivability, and intelligence. These aircraft will not just support missions, they will help shape them, ensuring the U.S. maintains its global reach and dominance.